Look up at the night sky. Every tiny point of light you see is a star, or a galaxy, or a swirl of billions of stars. And yet, even that is only a fraction of the universe. Today, we're going to explore the vastness of everything, from our small blue planet to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. By the end, you might start seeing your place in the universe in a whole new way. We begin at home. Earth is about 13,000 kilometers wide. That's huge to us, but tiny in cosmic terms. The Sun, our star, is enormous. You could fit 1 million Earths inside it, and yet the Sun is just one ordinary star, one among billions in our galaxy. Our solar system stretches roughly 2 light years to the edge of the Oort cloud. Yet most of that space is empty, vast stretches of nothing. Jupiter, the largest planet, could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it, yet it is just a small part of the solar system. Everything we see in our night sky is just the beginning. The closest star system beyond the Sun is Alpha Centauri, 4.3 light-years away. If you could travel at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, it would still take over 4 years to get there. Even the nearest neighbors in space are staggeringly far. We live in the Milky Way, a spiral galaxy roughly 100,000 light-years across, containing around 400 billion stars. Our solar system is just a tiny dot, tucked halfway along one of the spiral arms. Light traveling from one side of the Milky Way to the other would take 100,000 years, longer than all of recorded human history. At the center of the Milky Way lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius, a star. It is a gravitational giant millions of times more massive than the Sun, yet we orbit far from it, safely on the galactic outskirts. The Milky Way is not alone. It is part of a cosmic neighborhood called the Local Group, containing about 80 galaxies, including our closest large neighbor, Andromeda. Andromeda is 2.5 million light-years away and slowly moving toward us. In billions of years, these galaxies may collide, merging into a new, larger galaxy. Beyond the Local Group, galaxies cluster together into superclusters, forming vast networks that stretch across unimaginable distances. Zooming out, the universe looks like a web of galaxies called the cosmic web. Filaments of galaxies stretch for billions of light-years, separated by enormous empty voids. One of the largest known structures, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, spans 10 billion light-years, one of the largest objects ever discovered. It's so massive that it challenges our understanding of physics itself. The universe is vast, structured, and beautiful in ways that are almost impossible to imagine. Finally, we reach the observable universe. It spans 93 billion light-years across. That's everything we can see, everything that light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang. Beyond that, we don't know. There could be infinite galaxies we'll never see, or perhaps even multiple universes. The truth is, the cosmos is far bigger than our minds can fully grasp. So next time you feel small, look up at the night sky. You are a tiny part of a vast, expanding universe. Yet here you are, alive, conscious, capable of observing and understanding even a fraction of it. And that in itself is extraordinary.